Hi everyone, just a quick video today talking about the fact that the New York investment bank Morgan Chase have announced that they are creating their own cryptocurrency. This may come as a shock to a few of you who have previously seen CEO Jamie Dimon's comments on Bitcoin and other coins, but their coin does have some unique features that aren't implemented into these. Banks also have to play under a slightly different rule set, as they must remain transparent enough to please the regulators, and this goes completely against what many people like about crypto to being decentralized and the cryptocurrency of Monero, which is all about security. So Morgan Chase however have been openly working on blockchain technology for years and have developed their own blockchain network which their coin will operate on, called Quorum. Quorum was created in a partnership with Ethereum Enterprise Alliance, which JP Morgan is a founding member, and it's planned that this will operate as the bank's new payment brain. So as you can imagine, and this is an Ethereum based coin or network, but with the intent to modify it to enhance performance, improve transaction and contract privacy, and allow network and peer permissions management. The quicker speed means that according to the development team, Quorum can handle over 100 transactions per second. Now this still has quite a way to go to catch Visa, which processes an average of 2,000 transactions every second, but it's far more than the standard Ethereum at about 15 transactions per second. Crucially though, it is not a tradable coin, nor can it be publicly owned, so you're not likely to see this JPM coin on any of your exchanges anytime soon. And it's also a fixed $1 amount for each coin, so you'll never see any fluctuations, and it's also nowhere near as volatile as Bitcoin, which is something that JP Morgan CEO has criticised in the past. So now, apart from it being not publicly traded, this all seems fairly similar to what XRP was doing with Ripple. So is it time to sell your XRP and run? I don't think so, not just yet anyway. I currently hold XRP and I'm going to continue to do so, more as a speculative play than anything, but I still do think that XRP has a place, and although XRP and JPM coin make payment settlements between institutions faster and easier, JPM coin is not a cryptocurrency, and I think that's crucial. And as mentioned earlier, is not publicly traded, and only JP Morgan's institutional clients can purchase it, and this makes it much more like a private payment system than a cryptocurrency. JP Morgan's coin is therefore not likely to take over the world of payment systems and is only going to be used within JP Morgan. And in my opinion, that is not even a direct competitor to Ripple. And I believe that Ripple is more of a Swift rival than anything else. So in summary, although this is a blow to Ripple's hopes of being used within banks to settle payments, I don't think this is an immediate end to XRP, as some media outlets are suggesting, such as Bloomberg and Forbes. And for that reason, I'm going to continue to happily hold my XRP and will continue to do so. So if you made it this far in the video, I really appreciate it. Subscribe to see my next video analysing Bill Gates' dividend portfolio, and be sure to check out my last video where I revealed 3 stocks that you need to be watching going into March of 2019. So make sure you're liking the video, make sure you're commenting your thoughts down below. I'd love to have a discussion with you guys. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.